The oil change is one of the most essential auto services that your vehicle needs to keep performing the way it's intended to. While it's a simple service, oil changes are crucial, and there are several different types to choose from. Here at Toyota of Orlando, we offer both synthetic and regular types of oil changes to meet the needs of every driver. If you're not sure which type to choose, we're here to help. The first type of oil change that we offer in our auto service department is the regular or conventional oil change. Conventional oil typically lasts anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 miles and is the most economical choice. We recommend this type of oil change to drivers who don't plan on driving too far daily or who don't live in colder climates, as this oil doesn't necessarily perform well in different environments. An alternative type of oil change that we offer here at Toyota of Orlando is the synthetic oil change. This type of oil is specifically engineered to last, in some cases up to 10,000 miles. Plus, it can withstand varying climates and might even help your vehicle get a performance boost. While we recommend this type highly, it does come at a higher price tag, and those who drive less could probably go without. Here at Toyota of Orlando, your decision to have your vehicle serviced with us means a lot, and that's why we include several important services along with your oil change. Our auto service techs conduct a multi-point inspection to ensure that your vehicle is in perfect working order. We also top off your vehicle's fluids, add pressure to your tires, and visually inspect both the brakes and the undercarriage. We believe in keeping every vehicle healthy, and we do our best to keep you informed of any future issues you may encounter with your vehicle before we send you on your way. Here at Toyota of Orlando, we provide peace of mind with every auto service we perform. Have questions? Feel free to ask your service advisor. Call Toyota of Orlando at 407-298-0001 today.